पार्वती नंदन गजानना पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना गजानना गजवदना गौरी नंदन गजानना गजानना गजवदना गौरी नंदन गजानना पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना मूषकवाहन गजानना मोदकाशना गजानना मूषकवाहन गजानना मोदकाशना गजानना महेश्वरात्मज गजानना मामुद्धर जय गजानना महेश्वरात्मज गजानना मामुद्धर जय गजानना पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना प्रपंच कारण गजानना पुराण वारण गजानना प्रपंच कारण गजानना पुराण वारण गजानना पाशांकुशधर गजानना प्रणवरूप जय गजानना पाशांकुशधर गजानना प्रणवरूप जय गजानना पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना षडाननाग्रज गजानना शुभांग सुंदर गजानना षडाननाग्रज गजानना शुभांग सुंदर गजानना सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रद गजानना निर्विघ्नं कुरु गजानना सिद्धि बुद्धि प्रद गजानना निर्विघ्नं कुरु गजानना पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना गजासुरांतक गजानना गणाधीश जय गजानना गजासुरांतक गजानना गणाधीश जय गजानना जय 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 गजानना संविरूप जय गजानना जय 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 गजानना संविरूप जय गजानना पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पाहि पाहि गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना पार्वती नंदन गजानना Thank you.
Everybody will be muted now. And then I will introduce everyone. Okay. We'll start the function. We'll start our session. Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody, dear friends. We always begin our session with a small prayer of Ganesha. So here we go. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Ganpati Bappa Moria. Thank you so much. We wish everyone a good health and a positive mind. Hari Om. Okay, I am Subhash Kamath, one of the core committee member of GPSM. Uh, I'm here to just give you a little bit of GPSM because there are a lot of new faces here. So they want to know what is GPSM. GPSM stands for Guru Prasad Swarmala, a group which was formed by Guru Prasad members. Guru Prasad is a society in Vile Parle, very famous society, one of the first society in Vile Parle. So Guru Prasad members, we started Guru Prasad Swarmala in February 2020 to sing together, to learn together, and to improve together. You know, that was the purpose of this group. We started with 8 members in February 2020, and today we have around more than 50 members in our group. We sing basically Hindi songs, Marathi songs, various songs in various languages. As per the theme, we have a theme every week, every 3 days. Every 3 days we have a theme, and we all request everyone to sing as per the theme. So today is our, not today, this week was our 135th scheme, 135. So, we have so far sung on 135 themes, and 7,400 songs we have sung so far. So it is a great, this thing, a matter of pride. So big hand to GPSM. So we have sung 7,400 songs with 50 members around. All operations of Guru Prasad Swarmala are managed by a core committee. We have a core committee which manages and monitors all the activities of Guru Prasad Swarmala, GPSM. Guru Prasad Swarmala GPSM has its own YouTube channel also, and it has presented in the past various programs. Like, we celebrated Mile Surab Mera Tumhara on 15th August last year for Independence Day. Diya Jale Kalakari for Diwali program we have conducted. Anand Yatra, Guru Prasad Reunion, second we conducted. Holi, Ganesh, Chaturthi. A lot of things we keep on having it on our YouTube channel. So, keep the members all active and show them their, opportunity to show their talents. We are very much delighted and blessed to say that Guru Prasad Swarmala is blessed by kind and encouraging words by our Param Pujya, Srimat Sadyojat Shankaracharya Swamiji, and he has given us special blessings to our group. And with that blessings, I think we are really doing so well. We are very lucky. So that is about GPSM. With this, I will now welcome our chief guest, our today's guest speaker, Mrs. Dipali Kamath Agarwal, whom we can see everybody. And we will put our hands together to welcome her first, because she's, first time she's coming to us. So we will put our hands, welcome her. And Rekha, can you unmute everybody so she can hear how much we love her and how much we like her, this thing. I'm looking forward for her, this thing. Thank you very much.
Everyone can unmute themselves. Please unmute yourself.
Welcome. Govinda.
Welcome. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Ali. It means a lot to me. Thank you.
Rekha, now you can mute everyone.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for welcoming Dipaliji, our guest. I will tell a few things about Dipaliji because a lot of us are new to her. We don't know about her. So I'll just say a few words about her so you know her background. Mrs. Dipali Kamath Agarwal started singing and learning music at the age of 4 under the able guidance of her grandfather, Pandit Ramdas Kamatji, and late Srimati Suhasini Vyasji. She is a granddaughter of famous vocalist Upendra Kamatji. Dipaliji has learned classical music from well-known classical singers Srimati Ashatai Khadilkarji and Pandit Manohar Joshiji, and the light music from Vikas Bhatodekar Sahab. Dipaliji is Sangeet Visharad, proud, Sangeet Visharad, and she is the founder and director of Swardeep Music Academy. She has her own institute, Swardeep Music Academy. This academy was started in 2014 and now has branches in Vile Parle, Goregaon, and Andheri. Dipali has by now taught more than 1,000 students of various age group, 4 years to 85 years. You can imagine, how much patience she has to teach 4 years child and 85 years. Great, fantastic. So Swardeep Music Academy also has some international students. Lovely. In Swardeep Music Academy, they have Hindustani classical vocal sessions and also teach Bollywood singing along with karaoke. Due to pandemic, Swardeep Music Academy is also having facilities of online vocal training lessons. Dipali ji has conducted several musical workshops across the country. She has sung the title tracks of serials like Say Na Something to Anupamangal, Sunday Funday Fox, and Marathi Paula Padate Fude. Great. She has worked for a famous music personalities also like Louis Banks, Jolly Mukherjee ji, Kaushal Inamdar, Nilesh Moire. Wonderful. All these big personalities she has worked with. She has sung for various musical groups also, which such as Bal Sargam, Keep Alive. Most of you must be knowing Keep Alive group, Manohar Ayers, Swara Sagarika, Uttunga, and so on. Her albums like Itukल्या Pitukल्याची Bal Gite आणि Gati Fu, Sangeetkar, Sammelan became very popular and famous. She has been felicitated with Ojaswini Young Women's Achievers Award in cultural field by Akhil Bharatiya Vidya Parishad. She has had opportunity to be part of various radio and Doordarshan programs also. She has sung for prestigious song for Mumbai Anthem. Her album naming Beyond Horizon, composed by Aditya Phadke, has touched the hearts of all music lovers. She has participated and won in various intercollegiate competitions like Umang, Youth Festival, etc. Dipali ji has been honored by late Captain Vinayak Gore ICSE Award for the best student in the degree college in the year 2005 and 2006. As a part of her social responsibilities, now she conducts her social responsibility, she is aware of the, what you call social responsibilities. She also teaches the special children and underprivileged kids in her institute. Recently, Dipali ji has been felicitated by Artist of the Year Award by Inspire Beyond Motherhood Awards in 2019 and Best Singer Award by Rangoli Awards 2020. Amazing. With regards to Dipali's academic, I mean, I won't believe, I mean, nobody will believe it. I mean, she is a chartered accountant and company secretaryship. So a very fabulous combination, you know, a chartered accountant and company secretaryship. But she did not pursue her career in that. Following her passion, music was her passion. So following her passion and turning that passion into profession, she lived for dream of becoming an entrepreneur, and that too in connection with music. So it was fantastic knowing about you, Dipali ji. I mean, amazing personality. So I'll hand it over to you, Dipali ji. You can take it over, and we wish all the best to you. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Subhashi, for such a lovely introduction of mine. Thank you. It means a lot. Very good evening to all of you, and my namaskar to all the elders of this group. Firstly, I really want to thank GP Swarmala for inviting me here today and making me meet so many music enthusiasts, so many good singers. Because I know I'm saying good singers, there is a reason. I have not heard you, but I'm still saying it. You all are good singers. I know that because Vidya Talgeri, Vidya Rekha Nadkarni, Subhashi himself, and Vivek Mudurji, Nitin Kaka, Nitin Natangri, they all have been my students, and they keep Subhashi to khair abhi join kare hain, but Vidya and they have been my students since a long time. So they keep on sharing. I'll speak in Hindi and English. Is it fine if I do a combi of, because I think even outsiders have joined, so everyone may not be Marathi and may not understand. So I'll keep it Hindi and English. Everyone should be comfortable with that. So yeah. So they keep on forwarding me your, I think you had done Mile Sur Mera Tumhara in between that, that collage of everybody singing, and I saw that level of, that spark and that junoon bolte hai na, wo kya bolte hai, matlab that, kuch karna hai, acha gana hai. And that spark is very essential if you want to pursue your passion. And, so that is something I got to know, and that's the reason. And I've heard you all already. So that's the reason I'm saying you all are good singers. So I'm really glad to be here today to speak and speak something, whatever little I know, with everybody of you. I don't want to make it sound like a, मैंने कल विद्या को थोड़े notes भेजे कि, we'll write this, and then my heart said, no, let me not make it sound like a typical class. Class तो हम रोज ही लेते हैं, and let this not be like a regular class. Let it rather be like a chat session or a kind of a little थोड़ा सा जो मैंने सीखा है या मैंने थोड़ा सा कुछ आता है वो just I want to share it with you all. That's the only thing. And if anybody, we all are students of music. If any one of you all have any doubts in between, kabhi bhi main jab whatever topics I'm speaking, anytime at that time, any one of you all have any doubt, you can unmute and ask me then and there, or afterwards also we can have a Q&A session, however it suits. Okay, so let me start first with my approach. So Vidya is my student, and she told me that Dipali, since I am your student and I really like the way you teach your approach towards music, and I want everybody to know that approach. And I think that's the reason why I'm here today. I want to share with you all my approach or what I feel about music, or the way we all are singers. We all want to perform for our happiness. उसमें से I'm sure some of you all may be even professional singers. तब तो मतलब it's a different league altogether. But even if you're singing it for your own happiness, what you should follow towards making your performance or your singing better. So, hello Vivek ji, I can see you. When I see my students, I feel that ye hai. Okay, so as for me, learning classical. So a lot of people, when they as I the past 7 years, I had an opportunity to meet because of Swardeep, under Swardeep, I have an opportunity to meet more than 1,000 students, and I've got approx मतलब मैंने उतना सीखा सब approx they have been my students. And what is the common question what people ask when they call to take an admission कि हमने क्या सीखना चाहिए, हमको classical सीखना है कि हमको light सीखना है कि हमने what should we learn. So see, I feel it is very essential to become a holistic singer. Now classical is very essential. Hindustani classical में Hindustani classical है, Karnataka classical है, whatever. Even if you're Karnataka classical, it has उसका भी उतना ही strength है, Hindustani classical का भी उतना ही strength है. आपको जो whatever you're comfortable with, you can learn that. But classical is essential. The reason being, it's like a foundation. It's like a base. It's going to train your voice. It's going to mold your voice. So that is the reason why we have to learn classical. Now, classical may, there can be, you should do different exercises, vocal exercises, what I said, what we call alankars or paltas, you should do those exercises. It's called as Svarshuddhi exercises. What is alankar? I will come. मैं अभी एक बार पूरा ना overview देती हूँ, and then we will take one topic and get into it. I'm also going to take some practical, मतलब alankar मतलब क्या, तो वो थोड़ा सा बोल के practical में what we'll do 2-3 alankars so that you get to know what exactly it is. So अलंकार करना चाहिए. उससे क्या होता है ना, उससे आपके वॉइस में थोड़ा एक you start knowing swars, रे कहाँ है, ग कहाँ है, प कहाँ है. You get a hang of this swars, and that's the reason we have to do alankars. Alankar ka practice. Then ragas. Ragas is also very essential because that's the aesthetics of Hindustani classical. So to learn ragas or to learn classical from a जो आपके बाजू में है, good guru, any good vocal coach who can take you through. It is essential because that is finally going to give you a base or it's going to strengthen your voice. That is मुझे ऐसा लगता है. But see, when you're going to now be all of us, we all, including me also, when we go in any event or party or, कोई get together में जाते हैं, कोई function में जाते हैं, या जैसे, ये GP स्वरमाला आपका group है, उसमें हम गाते हैं, हम क्या गाते हैं? हम बॉलीवुड गाते हैं, हिंदी फिल्म सॉन्ग्स गाते हैं, ओके, गजल गाते हैं या भजन गाते हैं, these semi-classical basically. So it is very essential that we cannot turn a blind eye to that. We have to focus even on that, as per what I feel, because there are a lot of technicalities even in that. जैसे voice modulation हो, expressions, the way you जैसे expressions गाते हो while singing, how should be your expression towards the voice? How should be your throw? How should be where should you breathe? What should be your breathing technique? How should be your emotions? Emotion expression, same thing. Because see, playback is something, see, when there is a film going on, वो actor एक acting करता है, पर उसके पीछे जो voice होती है, वो playback singer की होती है, उसमें भी तो acting चाहिए ना, वो voice, उल्टा वो ज़्यादा tough, because face is easy to react and you can happy, sad, angry, you can make it from your face, but from your voice, if you have to take it, it needs much more, मतलब और ताकत चाहिए उसमें. You need to really work on it. So that is very essential. And these are the points you have to take care of it when you sing. अब जब कोई गाना गाते हो, बॉलीवुड गाते हो, भजन गाते हो, whatever, गजल गाते हो, उसकी रूह जानिए, उसका सोल जानिए, and take it with that, like, express it. For that you'll have to learn what is voice, how you have to modulate your voice, where you have to throw an emphasis, where you have to settle your voice, where you have to breathe, all of these things and all of these parameters. Now when you take in singing in your Bollywood singing or semi-classical singing, it is definitely going to better you from whatever you're. Okay, so classical is something which is going to strengthen your voice, or it's going to mold your voice, and these techniques are going to take you through. So मेरे हिसाब से, मेरे नजर से, ये दोनों सीखना बहुत जरूरी है, classical as well as light Bollywood. Yeah, so let me come. So this was the overview: Alankar, vocal exercises, raga, and Bollywood. Now let me come to what is Alankar. In the meanwhile, if anyone has any doubt, अभी तक मैंने कुछ बोला है उस पे अगर किसी को डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं मुझे.
Dipali ji, I wanted to ask you, because most of us, as you know, we started singing already before we started our classical learning.
Right.
So I hope it's okay. I mean, we already started
Yes.
singing, and then
Yes.
now
Yes.
we are.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good question. Very good question. See, music has no age bar. No age bar at all, and learning can start at any age. Any age. I mean, I have students who are even 75, 80, 83. I mean, music has really no age bar, and they sing with so much enthusiasm. I mean, Sujata Pachi is there. I mean, I'm really lucky that she's the live example. She's my student. She's in US now. And she is beautiful. She sings so beautifully. And हमारा जो Wednesday 5 p.m. का class होता है, by sharp 5 p.m. IST, मतलब वो US में sharp 5 p.m. IST, she'll be, मतलब before me she'll be online. That is the जोश. So I think that आपको अगर एक passion है ना music की, तो classical हो या कोई भी संगीत हो, मतलब Bollywood हो, classical हो, जो भी हो, उसके लिए कोई age नहीं है. You can start it. It is any time you can start. Never से तो कभी तो करो शुरुआत. It's like that ना. So definitely, and you all are good singers. सब थोड़ा और polish करेंगे तो it will definitely go और अच्छा गाएंगे. It's like that. So yeah. Any other questions? So I'll go further. ठीक है. So yeah. What is alankars? Now let me come to the first. Alankar, see, when we wear some ornament, it adds to the beauty of our physical presence. Same way, when you do alankars in singing, it's going to add to the beauty of your voice. It's going to help you know the swars, the notes, and combinations and sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. ये जो 7 स्वर है, उसके combinations and permutation and combinations जब आप करेंगे, तो उसको अलंकार कहलाया जाता है. So I'm not going very much in the theory part, because you all know what is alankar, and I'm theory में नहीं जा रही हूँ ज़्यादा. Let me practically explain you what is alankar. Let us start singing now. Okay. And I want you all to sing with me, today. If possible, सब लोग अपना cameras on रखो, if possible. So, and everybody go on mute. Okay. So let's start our session with Om. I always believe Om has a different power altogether, and even in my regular class, or even when I start my own riyaz, I always start the riyaz with Om. Okay. So first type of Om, हम 3 प्रकार के Om करेंगे. First type of Om में ना O ज़्यादा कहेंगे, म कम कहेंगे. In one breathing, O should be more, M should be less. So I will show you how it goes. Okay, the sur which is being played in background is the sur of Tanpura. There is a Tanpura which is being played on the background. Right now I'm taking a scale B, but this is not always the scale. Yes, Vidya.
Dipali, before you start, there are a couple of people who have unmuted themselves. So can you all please mute yourselves? Couple of people, Ravindra ji, Asha Tai, couple of people.
Otherwise, whoever is in host, like they can mute all. You can mute all. I will unmute myself.
Muted everybody, but I think unmuting they have done it themselves. So I'll again unmute everyone.
Yeah. Okay. ओम में फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ ओम में ओ ज्यादा है, म कम है. अच्छे से nicely we'll breathe in and start. I will show you first how it goes. Breathe in and start. Your voice has to match with this sur, huh? There's still somebody who's on unmute. Please mute. Everybody mute yourselves. Now the second type of om. Second type of om में o कम है, म ज्यादा है. Breathe in and start. Noticing a vibration in your vocal cords when you're singing. That's good. That's good for you. That means you're doing it correctly. Now the third type of om. हम ओम कहते हैं, लेकिन ओम के जो उ, ओ, मा. उ, ओ, ma. So divide your breathing into approx 4 equal parts. Once again. In the plain sa. Sa. ये तीन चीज आप करेंगे ना, ये तीन प्रकार का ओम और सा, automatically you will get settled. आप जो भी we all are busy with our family life. कोई खाना पका के आया होगा, कोई कुछ बच्चों का पढ़ाई लेके आया होगा, कोई कुछ और कुछ करके आया होगा, कोई काम करके आया होगा. So this will help you to settle down. That 1 hour, next 1 hour, or whatever time you want to redo your riyaz, this when you do, you'll automatically be settled and set for it and get disconnected from your outer world. Then plain sare gama. Sare gama pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Let's do warm up. Everybody sing with me. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Same thing into alap. We have to sing in the alap. Everybody sing with me. Everybody go on mute, which will cause a little chaos. Yes, Rekha.
I request people not to unmute themselves because, the moment I mute them, some of them are
Yeah.
unmuting themselves. Please
The very
don't unmute.
Yeah, please mute yourselves. The very fortunate part is that people from different parts of India and across globe are able to connect today because of the online world. Unfortunate part is that जो live होता है ना, मतलब if you would have been in front of me, I would have told you to sing जोर से गाओ, मुझे सुनना है. Unfortunately, in this online thing, what happens is there is a lag. So मैं कुछ गा रही हूँ, आप कुछ गा रहे, तीसरा कुछ और गा रहा है, चौथा कुछ और गा रहा है, तो there will be a big chaos. And that's the reason. I am extremely sorry. I have to tell you to unmute at this time because it's a mass class. There are a lot of people who are there in it. I really would want to hear you all louder and louder, but please excuse us for this. Okay, now let's take a rhythm little faster than what we took. everybody. Okay, ये तो करना ही है. अभी I'll tell you a breathing exercise. Breathing in one breathing. Let's see how many times we go. Huh? Nicely breathe in and start. And then what you do ना, एक बार breathing खत्म हो जाता है ना, then you stop. You don't continue it. Just stop after that. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. Same thing fast में करना. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in and start. Eight and a half. Koi jan ka, I have seen people who have started with, I have seen students of mine who have started with just 3. Because see, this is ultimately your breathing capacity, which is personalized. हर एक की अलग होती है. But ये रियाज करने से हम उसको increase कर सकते हैं. So I have seen people who have who were not able to even sing 2 times, and now they are singing 5. Now they are singing 6. Some who were singing already 3, they are now singing 6 and 7. So, but it doesn't happen overnight. इसको बहुत कोई भी कला को ना या any art, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to do riyaz, you have to put in efforts, you have to put in time. After a span of time, if you consistently do this, it will definitely, you will see improvement in your own breathing capacity. And not just for singing, breathing बढ़े किसको नहीं चाहिए? Who doesn't want my breathing, who's their breathing capacity to be big? Na? It's again holistic. Music is not just for singing good and bad. ठीक है, as I said, good singer and bad singer, ठीक है, जिसको professionally करना है ना, you have to sing usme, you have to have a great voice, you have to sing with those techniques, you have to be very good because you want to do it like a profession. But those who don't want to do it like a profession, you want to do your happiness, but ये सब करने से आपका खुद का ही confidence level बढ़ जाएगा. You will yourself feel good, and you are singing for your own happiness. Music is so holistic, I mean so pure and so divine na, that it is so pure, it gives you that positivity. एक अलग ही level का high मिलता है. You get that different level of zeal by doing singing or doing music. So you should do this for yourself, for your own happiness. Okay, now let me come to the alankars. I had given some alankars in writing, so let me teach some. मैं तो बहुत सारे सिखाती हूँ, but अभी मैंने ना basic एक 4-5 ही अलंकार दिए हैं. Even if you do this, it's good. It's definitely in one session itna sab, those who already learned, it will be easier to grasp. Those who have never learned, it may sound little difficult, but don't panic, it's okay. These all things na ek baar 2-3 baar karenge with your teacher, you will definitely able to seep in. The second alankar, let's go part by part. I'll teach you the basic alankar. This is a very basic one. Sa re ga, repeat. Sa re ga ma, repeat. Re ga ma pa, repeat. Ga ma pa dha, repeat. Ma pa dha ni, repeat. Pa dha ni, dha ni sa, sing. Dha ni sa. Now let's sing all together. You can read and sing. Huh? Isme you can read and sing. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Now let's come ulta. So when we go up na, ये ascending notes जो होते हैं इसको आरोह कहते हैं. Now when we are coming down, उल्टा ऊपर से नीचे आ रहे तो descending में अवरोह कहते हैं. Now let's do the avroha. Sa ni dha, repeat. Sa ni dha pa, sing. Ni dha pa ma, sing. Dha pa ma ga, sing. Pa ma ga re, sing. Ma ga re sa, sing. Ga re sa. Let's sing all together. पूरा साथ में गाते हैं. You can read and sing. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Okay, can anybody one of you all sing? Chalo, any chota bachcha kaun hai idhar? Any small? Om, you sing Om.
Yes.
Sa re ga
Sa
re
re ga ma pa.
See, you have to start like this. See, listen. Sa, start from here. Sa, this is the story. Sa re ga ma.
Re ga ma.
Correct. Ga ma pa. Now keep singing.
Sa
Ga
re ga
re ga ma pa pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Okay, you can unmute yourself. Yes. Now let's do the same thing into alap. See, my session is going to be a little more practical. I'm going to ask you all to sing. सब तैयार है गाने को? हाँ, मुझे क्योंकि गाने वाले I want everybody to sing. मैं खाली गाती बैठूं ये मुझे पसंद नहीं. I want everybody to sing with me. Okay, so now let's do the alap of this. Same thing we have to sing with. We have to do with alap. Okay. Now the second exercise or the second alankar. Okay, so alankar matlab ye dekho, you are able to see that combination sa re ga ma pa. You know, there is a fixed combination sa re ga 1 2 3 2 3 4. You know, getting it? Re ga ma pa da. तो इसको अलंकार कहते हैं. अभी एक थर्ड अलंकार सिखाती हूँ. सारे सारे 1 second, which is the third. Yeah, सारे गा गा. Sa ga re ga ma pa pa. You want me to teach part by part or easy है ये manage हो जाएगा साथ में together? Or you want me to teach part by
I
part?
think it can be managed.
It can be managed. No? This one is
yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sa re ga ma pa pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The same thing into alap. Sing with me. Okay, sare ga re ga mama, ये भी एक combination. Now let's do the next alankar which I had given. Sare ga ga. The first part of it is very simple. It's just 2 times. Sare re ga mama ga ma pa pa dha ni dha ni sa. यहाँ तक सबको आएगा. Now I'm teaching a little. I've tweaked this alankar in a little थोड़ा सा advanced format में. So dhani sa ni sa re. Sing with me. Ni sa re. Sa re ga re. Sing with me. Sa re ga re. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Okay, अभी पूरा गाते हैं साथ में. And हाँ, one more thing. See, ये जो ऊपर के नोट्स है ना, सारे ग रे, ये सब ना तार सप्तक के नोट्स है जो हम रेगुलर गाते हैं ना, सप्तक, 7 स्वरों के समूह को सप्तक बोलते हैं, सा रे ग म प ध नि. Okay, 7 notes. This is called saptak. There are 3 types of saptaks in Hindustani classical vocal: mandra saptak, madhya saptak, and tar saptak. Mandra, madhya, tar. जो हम रेगुलर गाते हैं ना, सा रे गा मा पा धा नी, this is in between, so it's madhya saptak. What is it? मध्य सप्तक. ऊपर के जो नोट्स है ना, सा रे गा मा पा, that is all higher notes. That's called tar saptak. तार सप्तक. ओके. एंड जो रेगुलर सा है, मतलब शुद्ध जो मध्य सप्तक का सा है, सा सा नी ध प म, that is all mandra saptak. Okay, so mandra, madhya, tar. There's a notation also way of writing, but then I'm not going too much in the theory part. Thoda, I don't want it to go heavy. So let's sing this alankar once again. Everybody sing with me. You can read and sing. Sare sare ga ga re ga ma ma ga ma pa ma pa dha ni dha ni sa ni sa re sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Okay. Now let's do the next alankar. See, इसी को हम अगर आलाप में गाएंगे ना, I'll just show you all. See, till the time you're not comfortable with the स्वर, आलाप शायद नहीं आएगा. एक बार स्वर हैंग आ जाएगा, but I'll still show you. आ आ आ Same thing we sang in alap. And tan is the faster version of the alap. इसको This is tan. इसी चीज को मैंने तान में गाया. The same अलंकार I sang in tan. Okay, tan is the fast. उससे आपके वॉइस में और वोलेटिलिटी आती है. But this you'll have to do it in front of, sitting in front of your guru or your music teacher, because it needs a proper guidance. वो correct आ रहा है कि नहीं, वो अलंकार के हिसाब से the sur, the notes are hitting. Vidya, you sing this tan and show them. Just sare sare ga ga ga.
No, this.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So yes. So this is how you have to refine, and you know, इसका practice करते 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 आप जब आलाप गाते हैं तो आलाप को बहुत अच्छे से गाइए. You know, when you're very comfortable with the आलाप, थोड़ा सा उसका speed बढ़ जाए. See, ये इनिशियल में नहीं आएगा इतना स्पीड. You will not get this speed or this you know, this much to sing, but it's okay. It doesn't happen overnight. In music, nothing happens overnight. You have to give in time. So इसको आलाप को थोड़ा सा स्लो में बहुत बार, मतलब अच्छे से घोटिए उसको, and then you know, take it a little higher speed, a little faster speed. इसको you know, sing this many times. You know, when you're comfortable with that many times, then take it that speed, then take it even little faster. आपके कंट्रोल में है ये स्पीड. When, and see, it is very essential that you hit the notes correctly. खाली ऐसा कुछ करके then there is no मतलब. It has to be hit. You have to hit those notes correctly. तो speed उतना ही लो जितना आप justify कर पाओ. Then after this, एक बार इस पे कमांड आएगा, then take it even little faster. इतना फिर ऐसे करते करते ना, Rome was not built in a day. So this will take time. It will, you have to, but I'm just showing you the path. I'm not here कि ये सब आज के आज तान वान करना. It is impossible in this 1 hour. I can't teach. मतलब it is not possible कि सब तान. But I'm just showing you. मैं आपको एक path बता रही हूँ. I'm just here to share what I feel about music or my approach about music. Okay. So this is one alankar we did. Then the next alankar na ek thoda alag liya hai maine. It is ulta. This we will do part by part. Ga ga re sa, the fifth alankar in your notes. तो उल्टा आ रहा है, अवरोही अलंकार है, ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है. अब तक जो अलंकार देखे थे हमने नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे थे ना, एवरीथिंग वाज इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, सारे ग ग, सारे ग रे ग म, सारे ग ग, सो इट वाज गोइंग ऊपर. ये उल्टा है. ग ग रे सा, सिंग. ग ग रे सा, म म ग रे, सिंग. म म ग रे, प प म ग, सिंग. प प म ग, धा धा pa ma, you're going up, huh? Dha dha pa ma, ni ni dha pa, ऊपर. Ni ni dha pa, sa sa ni dha, sing. Sa sa ni dha, re re sa ni, sing. Re re sa ni, ga re sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa, ऊपर से नीचे. Ga re sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Let's sing all together. You can read and sing. Ga ga re sa ma ma ga re pa pa ma ga dha dha pa ma ni ni dha pa sa sa ni dha re re sa ni ga re sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Okay? एक और बार गाते हैं. Let's sing it once again. You can read and sing. Ga ga re sa ma ma ga re pa pa ma ga dha dha pa ma ni ni dha pa sa sa ni dha re re sa ni ga re sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Vivek ji, unmute yourself and sing this.
ग ग रे सा म म ग रे प प म ग ध ध प म नि नि ध प सा सा नि ध रे रे सा नि ग रे सा नि ध प म ग रे सा.
Yes, very nice. Okay. So once you're through with this alankar, एक बार फिर उसका आप आलाप ट्राई कर सकते हैं. और एक बार आलाप पे भी कंट्रोल आ जाए ना, तब यू कैन ट्राई विद द तान. लेकिन तान अभी नहीं आएगा, इट विल टेक टाइम. मतलब सो आई हैव टू शो यू द रियल पिक्चर ना, आई कांट जस्ट से कि चलो तान गाओ, ऐसा अभी नहीं बोल सकती मैं. Okay, so this is something called alankar. You all already know what is alankar. I mean, but ऐसे अलग अलग combinations हो सकते हैं, अलग अलग permutation combinations आप करके अलंकार कर सकते हैं, उसका practice कर सकते हैं under the guidance of your teacher or some knowledgeable music person. Then let's come to the raga. Raga is a melody in which is used to express a feeling. Okay, by different combination of different musical notes करके एक रागा हो जाता है. रागा के बारे में बोलने जाओ तो बहुत है, मतलब बहुत कुछ है. मैं ऐसे it will take me another 1 hour just to speak about raga, so I'm not getting more in the theory of it. But the notes, when are different notes, combinations are arranged in ascending order and descending order. For example, every rag will differ from each other because of its notes. उनके notes की वजह से रागा differ होते हैं. How will you differentiate ना रागा में? Notes की वजह से. जैसे राग भूपाली है. राग भूपाली is again a very popular राग. उसमें क्या है पता है? राग भूपाली मध्यम मतलब म, जो सारे ग म वाला म है ना, म, और सारे ग म प ध नी वाला निषाद मतलब नी. म and नी, these two spurs are absent, मतलब वर्जित. Okay, so म and नी, these two spurs are वर्जित in राग भूपाली. So how will it be? सा रे गा पा, आपको ग के बाद डायरेक्टली प पे जंप लेना है, बिकॉज म है ही नहीं रागा में. सा रे गा पा धा सा, ध के बाद डायरेक्टली सा पे जाता है क्योंकि नी नहीं है. सा रे गा पा धा सा, सा धा pa ga re sa. Throughout Madhyam Nishad is Varjit. So ma and ni will not come in this rag, in Rag Bhupali. So it will be sa re ga pa da sa, sa da pa ga re sa. Rag Durga में ना, राग दुर्गा में सारे मा पा धा सा, सा धा पा मा रे सा, ग वर्जित है, म है, सारे मा पा धा सा धा पा मा रे सा. Okay, मन मोहन मुरली वाला. So this is Rag Durga. Okay, so every raga by the set of its notes, some ragas will have Tivra Madhyam, some raga will have Komal Gandhar, Komal Dhaivat. So there are multiple combination of the swars by which the raga will differentiate from each other, or even from their Vadi Samvadi, even from their Chalan. Chalan matlab the way you present the raga by गायकी. हर चीज से एक रागा दूसरे रागा से differentiate होता है. So today I think I will pick up Rag Yaman to teach you the basics. Matlab, again, as I said, in 1 hour or in 2 hours, it's not possible to take you with the entire. I can't teach you something, but I can just show you the path. So Rag Yaman में क्या है? मध्यम तीव्र है. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको राग भूपाली के बारे में बोला था. So the reason why behind doing a raga is, or the classical is, you get to know the aesthetics, the beauty of the the aesthetics of music, the beauty, because classical is something which is very pure. और ये जैसे मैंने आपको तान बोला, आपको the अलंकार बोला, ये सबसे आपके वॉइस में फाउंडेशन आना है, आपके वॉइस में एक स्ट्रेंथ आनी ही आनी है. एक दिन में नहीं आएगी. You will have to invest sort of time and efforts behind it. Definitely उसके बाद में आएगी. And that strength is going to finally help you to do what? Bollywood. So we are going to focus on the Bollywood, of course, but this is going to help you. It's like a path to take you there to sing that with much more finesse. And as Subhashi said, हमने पहले सीखा नहीं है. It is never too late to learn. कभी भी नहीं. आप कभी भी सीख सकते हो. At least the knowledge जो है ना, वो कभी waste नहीं जाता है. Anytime, any hour of the day you start learning this, it is going to enhance your knowledge. It is going to help you to know or understand better. तो ये ना laptop की battery गई है. It was fully charged. I don't know how. You don't want? No, I don't want. But in case if I need your laptop, I'll let you know. अभी तो मेरे iPad में है battery. So okay. So let us take Rag Yaman. अच्छा, राग यमन का ना मैं आपको एक थोड़ा सा थ्योरी भी बताती हूँ, since we are doing this राग. So ये राग कल्याण थाट से निर्माण हुआ है. इसमें वादी स्वर, मतलब every raga will have the most important swars. Okay, this Vadi swar is the most important swar of the raga. In this Yaman raga, it is Gandhar, matlab Ga. And Samvadi swar, Vadi के बाद second important swar को Samvadi swar कहते हैं, that is Nishad. In this raga, it is Nishad. Every raga will have different Vadi and different Samvadi swars. So it is Gandhar in this raga, Samvadi is Nishad. Then गान समय is रात का पहला प्रहर, मतलब 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is the technical time to sing this rag. And Jati is Sampurna. So the ragas are identified into 3 categories, into 3 for the jati: Odav, Shadav, Sampurna. Odav is when the raga has only 5 swars. जैसे मैंने आपको भूप बताया, उसमें see total how many swars are there? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. 7 ना. उसमें से भूप में कौन से 2 absent थे? Madhyam and Nishad. 2 absent थे, 5 बचे. So when the raga is going to have 5 swar, the jati of the raga is going to be Odav. Okay, when the raga is going to have 6 swar, the jati of the raga is going to be Shadav. And when the raga is going to have all the 7 swar, it's the jati of the raga is going to be Sampurna. जैसे ये रागा में है, Yaman has all the swars, it is Sampurna. नी रे गा मा, देखिए म तीव्र है. तीव्र मतलब जो शुद्ध मा है ना, रेगुलर. सा रे गा ma, this शुद्ध मा, and this is तीव्र. So ma, so it's slightly higher than the शुद्ध मा. So this तीव्र मा is between the शुद्ध मा and पंचम. इसके बीच में ये तीव्र मा आता है. नी रे गा मा धा नी सा, सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा. I'll sing once again. नी रे गा मा. Getting what is शुद्ध मा and तीव्र मा? आपको समझ रहा है मैं तीव्र मा और शुद्ध मा? Yes. नी रे गा मा धा नी सा, सा नी धा पा मा गा रे सा. अभी इस एक बंदिश बताती हूँ. बंदिश in this raga. Bandish is one composition, a melodic composition in the raga, in the which is set in a particular raga. धा धिन धिन धा धा तिन तिन ता ता धिन धिन धा। धा धिन धिन धा। ये रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना सखी कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन ये रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना जब से पिया परदेस गवन किनो जब से पिया परदेस गवन किनो रतिया कटत मुसे तारे गिन गिन रतिया कटत मुसे तारे गिन गिन ये रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली ये रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली ये रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली ये रे आली ये रे आली पिया बिना. This was a bandish. I just showed you the outline of a bandish. बंदिश को expand करने जाओ तो बहुत कुछ इसमें आलाप कर सकते हैं, तान कर सकते हैं. It's ocean. You can expand it. The artist का जो creativity होता है ना वो पूरा classical में दिखता है because it's the combination of the notes you have to frame in your alap, the way you do it with the tal. So it needs a lot of focus and a lot of creativity you need, and that comes with riyaz. So I just showed you the outline. Then ye tha, now I think on the base, you want to learn this, you want to learn the mukhra, you want me to teach the mukhra, aapko seekhna hai. But as I said, I don't want to make it sound like a class. That's the reason I'm just showing you the things. But if any one of you all are, if majority of you all are interested in learning the bandish, pura to nahi sikha paungi itne kam time mein. But if you want to learn the mukhra, I can teach you the mukhra in a quick way. Okay, I can see some thumbs ups. Okay, great. So let's do the mukhra then. मैं quickly सिखाती हूँ आपको मुखड़ा. ये रे आली. So come 3 steps down. ये रे आली. Sing with me. ये रे आली. पिया बिना, पिया बिना. सखिए रे आली. So first time जब आप गाते हो ना खाली ये रे आली गाना है, और जब आप second time उसको जोड़ते हो आपको सखी जोड़ के उसको extend कर, मतलब you have to connect it to the सखी ये रे आली ऐसा. ये रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना. Then you can take multiple combinations, you know. सखिए रे आई ये रे. So ये रे आली पिया बिना. Okay, सखिए रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना. ऐसे आप चाहो जितने कॉम्बिनेशन कर सकते हैं with definitely in the forte of the राग, रागा के बाउंड्री में, और आपको जैसे सूट होता है वैसे, as per your you know that we can do. तो बेसिक अगर करना है तो ये रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना सखिए रे आली पिया बिना. Now the next line. सखी कलन परत मोसे सखी कलन परत मोसे परत. देखो ऊपर चढ़ो. सखी कलन परत मोसे 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 comes down. सखी कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन, नीचे आ रहा है ऊपर से 3 स्टेप्स, घड़ी पल छिन दिन, घड़ी पल छिन दिन, सखी कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन। जब आप उसको कंटिन्यू गाएंगे तो सखी यू डोंट हैव टू सिंग, जस्ट कलन परत। So first is सखी कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन, कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन, ये री हाली पिया बिना, सखी री हाली पिया बिना। ओके, एक बार गाएंगे, सब साथ में गाते हैं। चलो, अभी सबने किया ही है तो लेट्स सिंग इट। When you're singing तान, you have to take a faster, उसका रिदम जो होता है ना, लय फास्ट लेना होता है। जब आप बंदिश करते हैं थोड़ा कम, तो अभी मैंने फास्ट किया था फॉर द तान। धा धिन धिन धा धिन धिन धा तिन तिन ता धिन धिन धा धिन धिन धा धिन धिन धा तिन तिन ता धिन 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 धा धिन धिन। ये रे आली पिया बिना, सखी ये रे आली पिया बिना, सखी कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन, कलन परत मोसे घड़ी पल छिन दिन, ये रे हाली पिया बिना, सखी रे हाली पिया बिना, सखी रे हाली, ये रे हाली, ये रे हाली पिया बिना। This is how you have to end. The ending is called Tihai. Okay, so this was a very मतलब थोड़ा सा जो मैंने थ्रो लाइट किया क्लासिकल पे, a very brief. Classical is not something which can be spoken in half an hour, 1 hour. मतलब जन्म निकल जाता है, बट फिर भी मुझे एक बार आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ कहना था। नाउ लेट्स कम टू द बॉलीवुड, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर यू ऑल आर, सब बॉलीवुड के दर्दी है, और लेट्स कम देयर। ओके, एक बार मैं आपको अभी, सिंस आई एम डूइंग आई हैव डन जस्ट यमन राग विद यू, आई प्रिज्यूम यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड द लिटिल बिट चलन ऑफ राग यमन। अभी शैल आई शो यू मेलोडी मेडली, इसमें आई जस्ट सिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मेडली ऑफ राग यमन बेस्ड ऑन बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ इट गेट्स कनेक्टेड ना, मतलब सारे जो गाने हैं कैसे एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होते हैं, एंड हाउ इट इज, how Rag Yaman, I mean how Raga is playing a very crucial role, and based on Rag Yaman how the songs have कैसे बांधे गए हैं गाने, और because Rag Yaman has been a very popular rag with all the music composers also. There are many songs which are based, I may not take also some songs which are based on Rag, मतलब मेरे medley में शायद नहीं भी हो, लेकिन और भी बहुत सारे गाने हैं। नीरे गा मदनी सा निदा पा मा गा रे सा, नीरे गा रे नीरे सा, आ आ क्विकली थोड़ा सा चलन बता रही हूँ। हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलन का भूल ना जाना, तेरा मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे, तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर। चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन, धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना, चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन, धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना, मुझे दोष ना देना जग वालों, मुझे दोष ना देना जग वालों, हो जाए अगर दिल दीवाना, चंदन सा बदन चंचल चितवन, बीते ना बिताई रहना, बिरहा के जाए रहना, बीते ना बिताई रहना, बिरहा के जाए रहना, भीगी हुई अखियों में लाख बुझाई रहना, बीती ना बिताई रहना, पान खाए सैया हमारो, सांवली सूरतिया होठ लाल लाल, हाय हाय मलमल का कुर्ता, मलमल के कुर्ते पे छीट लाल लाल, पान खाए सैया हमारो, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, ओ निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है, नीरेगा गरे ग नि रे मा म ग म नि रे ग गरे ग नि ध रे ग ग म म ध नि सा स नि नि ध ध प प ग रे स नि ध प म ग रे नि ध प म ग रे सा नि रे ग, मुलाकात का कोई पैगाम दीजिए के छुप छुप के आने को जी चाहता है, और आके न जाने को जी चाहता है, और आके न जाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। थैंक यू। सो ऐसा कुछ परफॉर्मेंस देती है तो मेरे मेरे मन में वो सब बीट्स चलते रहते हैं, ना ताल, बिकॉज़ सी निगाहें मिलाने हैज लॉट ऑफ percussions and also it keeps on, I get in that high when I sing. Then Tanpura also starts sounding like with पूरा ऑर्केस्ट्रा साउंड करने लगता है कान में. So this is the power of classical. In every Bollywood also classical is there, I feel. This is my personal opinion. Okay, now let's come to the Bollywood singing. आपको मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ practically what I told you, na voice modulation and all of that. I want to show you. So I'm taking two songs. First is Ehsan Tera. I'm not doing the entire song, as I said. पूरा नहीं सिखा सकते इतने टाइम में. I'll show you the Mukhda of Ehsan and the Mukhda of Rimjhim Gire Sawan. Ehsan Tera Hoga is based on Rag Yaman. Rimjhim Gire Sawan is not based on Rag Yaman, but I'll still show you. Because मैं क्यों ये दो गाने सिलेक्ट की हूँ, बिकॉज एहसान तेरा होगा पे भी ना मेल और फीमेल दोनों वर्जन है, एंड आई एम एबल टू सी लॉट ऑफ फीमेल्स ऑल्सो इन दिस ग्रुप. इट्स नॉट जस्ट मेल्स और नॉट जस्ट फीमेल्स, वी हैव अ मिक्स क्राउड, सो आई वांट टू डू जस्टिस ऑन बोथ. आई वांट टू शो यू बोथ, मतलब मेल्स को भी दिखाऊंगी, फीमेल को भी दिखाऊंगी, हाउ योर सिंगिंग हैज टू बी. 1 second. सिंस हम ऑलरेडी राग यमन कर रहे हैं, लेट मी टेक फर्स्ट एहसान तेरा होगा. एहसान तेरा होगा. So first the male part, मेल का सिखाती हूँ. देखो मेल और फीमेल ट्यून इज द सेम, आउटलाइन इज द सेम, सबका दोनों गाने का मेल हो फीमेल वर्जन हो, द आउटलाइन इज द सेम, एंड यू ऑल नो द ट्यून ऑफ एहसान तेरा होगा. आई डोंट हैव टू टीच यू द ट्यून ऑफ एहसान तेरा, सबको पता है. दीज आर ऑल वेरी पॉपुलर एंड वेरी क्लोज टू अवर हार्ट सॉन्ग्स. सो आई जस्ट शो यू द न्यूएंसेस और द डिफरेंसेस हाउ इट हैज टू बी. एहसान तो एहसान, you have to sing it softly. It's a romantic song, तो उसका जो फील है ना, you can't sing it like एहसान तेरा, ऐसा नहीं गाना. जैसे आपने अभी दो देखा, वो उसमें मैंने पान खाए सैया हमारो, you have to have that, वो थोड़ा उसमें नटखटपना या वो आना चाहिए. You can't sing पान खाए सैया like पान खाए सैया हमारा, ऐसा नहीं गा सकते. पान खाए has to be like this, whereas एहसान तेरा is a romantic song, so it has to have that softness in your voice. This is basically the emotion लाने के लिए आपका voice modulation is something going to help you to get that emotion out, or that feeling out. एहसान तो एहसान, सान का एहसान का जो सा है ना, उसका थोड़ा सा जोड़ दीजिए. एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, होगा के हो पे हदेज़ हरकत, होगा मुझ पर, गा पे थोड़ा सा पुश है, होगा मुझ पर, दिल 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 को हरकत, दिल चाहता है वो, चाहता है वो. जो मेल है ना, मेल पार्ट में है ना, जो रफी साहब ने गाया है, वो को उन्होंने ना एक सटल स्टेप्स दिए. चाहता है वो लाइक दैट, एंड लता बाई हैज नॉट शी हैज टेकन इट डिफरेंटली. वो कहने दो मुझे, सो फर्स्ट मेल करते हैं, कहने दो मुझे, दो को थोड़ा सा, दो मुझे, यू नो, कहने दो, इट कांट बी प्लेन, कहने दो मुझे नहीं, कहने दो मुझे, मुझे के बाद there is a space, you can utilize that space for breathing, वहां पे breathe करिए. See, wherever there is a space, you know, capitalize it on breathing so that you can have nice breathing inside. तो wrong जगह पे वो शब्द नहीं टूटेगा. कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत, मोहब्बत का जो है वो word has to be very soft. जो उसका आपका अल्फाज, the way you are speaking it, the way you are singing it, the voice modulation of that, the voice throw of that has to be very soft. Only then it is going to get you that feeling. Feeling लाने के लिए modulation या throw बहुत जरूरी है. कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे हो गई है, मुझे है, मुझे खटका है यहाँ पे, है को है मुझे, you know that, है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में, पलकों की स्टेप से पलकों की छाँव में, छाँव में, छाँव में देखिए कैसे सारे मींड में, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, सिंपल, रहने दो. तो रहने कैसा है, रहने दो. एहसान, एक बार गाते हैं, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो, कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है, मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो. एहसान, दो बार है. अब जब सेकंड बार गाएंगे, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो, सेम, कहने दो मुझे, सेम, तुमसे मोहब्बत. यहाँ पे मोहब्बत पे ना थोड़ा सा उन्होंने उतना सॉफ्ट नहीं लिया जितना पहली बार लिया. तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, ये जो है सेकंड टाइम वाला, इट्स अ कर्व डाउन. हो गई है मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम कैसा लिया था, हो गई है मुझे, थोड़ा खटका हुआ, यहाँ पे कैसा सिंपल है, वहां पे देयर वाज अ हरकत there. हो गई है मुझे सेकंड वाला, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, दिस रहने इज डिफरेंट, फर्स्ट टाइम कैसा था, रहने दो, यहाँ कैसा है, रहने दो ऐसा है. So there is the in the same song, tune is the same. आपको सबको tune पता है. Then this is what I think is a work or a with your teachers or with your gurus. You understand the nuances of a singing. Like हर एक word में, because ये लोग ने ना जो ये legends है, they have sung this song so मतलब with so much of ease and with so much of finesse ना, आपको ऐसे सुनेंगे ना पट से ध्यान नहीं आएगा कि इधर उन्होंने क्या कमाल किया है. These songs are a institution in themselves, and every word, every line, every way they have, every time they have sung it differently. So to understand that and then to sing it accordingly, उसपे आपका सब आ जाता है. Feeling, अगर आप ऐसा गाएंगे, automatic feeling is going to come. If you're going to emphasize correctly on the correct words, it is going to come. Now, where you have to emphasize and what you have to do, that needs training. How you have to sing what, that needs training. Unless you're like, there are some people, aisa nahi hai, there are some people who are like really blessed with listening. They just listen and they understand what it is. So over the years, I have gathered that कि हाँ ये ऐसा है. I met some composers, they showed me. I met some जो जैसे Keep Alive, इन्होंने जिक्र छेड़ा तो मैं कहती हूँ, Keep Alive Manohar Iyer ji. So I used to sing with Keep Alive with Manohar uncle. I was just 16 years old when I was performing with Keep Alive, and he was the one who taught me this kind of like how to nuances से कैसे गाने का, जैसे सुनो सजना में वो बहाना ना ना वो जो है ना, हवाओं ने जो छेड़े है, like any other 15-year-old girl, मैं तो ऐसी अंधाधुन गाती थी, तो हवाओं में मैं शायद हवाओं ने, शायद मैं हवा को ज्यादा रुकी थी. तो वो मुझे बोले दीपाली, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट बेटा, इतना हवा को नहीं रुकना है, उसका एक टाइमिंग है, और वो टाइमिंग अगर से तुम गाओगी ना तो वो करेक्ट आएगा. then the tal starts. So that timing or that singing precisely. So like meeting this different even organizers has helped me learn these kind of techniques which I'm trying to share today with you all. So again, as I said, वो एक दिन का बात नहीं है, धीरे धीरे करके वो build-up हो जाता है. So this is what we did about एहसान तेरा होगा male. Now I will show you female का भी मैं एक बार झलक दिखाती हूँ. How it is एहसान, how the same tune, same lyrics, how थोड़ा चलन के मतलब ढंग कैसा डिफरेंट है. एहसान तेरा होगा हो, उन्होंने कैसा लिया, होगा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो को ट्विस्ट लिया है, वो वेराज रफी साहब ने उधर कैसा है, चाहता है वो, ऐसा है. यहाँ कैसा है, चाहता है वो, कहने दो मुझे तुम, यहाँ पे उन्होंने कैसा किया, मुझे को थोड़ा, कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, इन्होंने है को कैसे लिया है मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, छाँव में के बाद there is a pause, you can breathe there. पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, रहने दो, there is a twist, रहने दो. So जब आप रहने ऐसे गाएंगे, रहने दो, it will have that रहने दो, that एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो, कह दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, यहाँ पे है को ट्विस्ट है, हो गई है मुझे. फर्स्ट टाइम कैसा था, हो गई है मुझे. नाउ डोंट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन द मेल एंड फीमेल वर्जन. मेल वर्जन को अलग ही देखिए, फीमेल वर्जन को अलग ही देखिए, तो पूरा केओस हो जाएगा. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द पाथ. एज आई अगेन सेड, एक गाना बिठाने को मुझे 4 घंटे 3 हाफ एन आवर के 4 सेशंस लगते हैं एक गाना बिठाने को. So I am not teaching, I'm just showing you the path, how you have to, how it should be, how ideally the voice modulation has to be. हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, तो यहाँ पे जब सेकंड टाइम वो गा रहे हैं, पलकों की छाँव में रहने, it is together, you are not taking pause, whereas the first time पलकों की छाँव में यहाँ पे pause था, and then रहने दो, ऐसा फीमेल वर्जन. अब कैसा है, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, इट इज टुगेदर, छाँव में रहने दो, साथ में लेना है, पॉज नहीं लेना है, ब्रीथ नहीं लेना है। पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, ऐसे है। ओके, बट ये ऐसे याद नहीं रहने का, यू हैव टू वॉट एवर ऑल दिस न्यूएंसेस व्हिच आई कीप ऑन टेलिंग यू ना, वो सब आप जब पेपर पे या कहीं पे यू विल हैव टू नोट इट डाउन दैट इट्स लाइक दिस लाइक दिस, बिकॉज दैट इज ओनली व्हेन यू गोइंग टू रिमेंबर दीस थिंग्स। नहीं तो ऐसे ओरली तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिटेन। सो व्हेनेवर यू सिट विद अ सॉन्ग, जस्ट jot it, like, you know, keep it in your book. Now coming to Rim, so this was Yaman Rag. This was a song based on Yaman Rag. If anybody has doubts, you can ask me, please. I would love to answer your queries. अगर मेरी कैपेसिटी में जो भी डाउट्स या आंसर्स मुझे समझते हैं, आई वुड लव टू आंसर इट. एंड if not, let me go to Rimjim Gire Sawan. You know, it's monsoons are soon going to approach, and it's one of my favorite, Rimjim Gire Sawan. So let me just quickly teach you that also. इसमें रिमझिम गिरे सावन का मैंने आपको लिख के नहीं दिया है, आई हैव नॉट गिवन इट राइटिंग, बट वी ऑल नो दिस सॉन्ग. वन सेकेंड. रिमझिम गिरे सावन में भी मेल वर्जन है, फीमेल वर्जन है. पहले मैं फीमेल वर्जन बताती हूँ. रिमझिम गिरे सावन, द मेजर डिफरेंस इज मेल इज स्लाइटली स्लो, स्पीड में ना, रिदम में मेल थोड़ा सा, मेल किशोर कुमार जी का जो वर्जन है थोड़ा सा स्लो है, फीमेल वर्जन इज वेरी फास्ट. बट एंड न्यूएंसेस में तो बहुत फर्क है, मतलब है ही फर्क, लाइक यू नो द वे दे हैव सम, ट्यून इज द सेम, absolutely same, tune is absolutely same, but that's not an issue. So, but tune, I know you all know, then here we are there to work out on the nuances and you know which word how you have to sing and all of that. Rim jhim gire sa, rim jhim gire sa, so rim jhim gire step upar lena, rim jhim gire sa van gire, like drag it up. Rim jhim gire savan, savan ko extend, rim jhim gire savan, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, सुलग सुलग जा, every सुलग has emphasis, सुलग सुलग जा, but emphasis in a subtle way, हाँ. सुलग सुलग जाए मन, again romantic song, तो आपका जो voice approach है वो soft ही चाहिए. सुलग सुलग जाए मन, मन मन को खटका है, मन मन, like that. सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज, भीगे आज, आज को it goes up, step up, भीगे आज, do, हाँ मैं सिखा रही हूँ, everybody those who want to do sing with me. भीगे आज, scale नीचे लेती हूँ, 1 second, so it justifies with everybody. रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज. सो ये आज के जो क्लैरिटी से स्टेप्स आने चाहिए, भीगे आज, एंड दिस क्लैरिटी यू गोइंग टू गेट बाय डूइंग क्लासिकल रियाज. भीगे आज इस मौसम में, मेको भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी, लगी कैसी, कैसी ऑल्सो स्टेप अप, लगी कैसी ये अगन, लगी कैसी ये अगन, अगन रा 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 रा, अगन लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन. अब जब आप सेकंड टाइम गा रहे हो, सुलग सुलग, सेकंड टाइम ना, फर्स्ट टाइम कैसे गाया था, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, ऐसे था. अब कैसा है, सुलग सुलग, द सेकंड सुलग यू ड्रैग इट, सुलग सुलग, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, ला 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 ला, 6 counts up, pause and 7, la 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 la. ओके, ये था फीमेल वर्जन. एक बार वापस गाते हैं, फीमेल वर्जन पूरा गाते हैं साथ में, एवरीबॉडी सिंग विद मी. रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, ला 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 ला. ओके, Now coming to the male version. Firstly, the male version starts with the alap humming. Male का थोड़ा ऊपर लेती हूँ रिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी है अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन. अब यहाँ पे देखिए कैसा है सुलग सुलग जा सुलग सुलग जा. So this सुलग 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 जाए मन भीगे आज इस वो आज का हरकत सेब है भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी कैसी भी सेब लगी कैसी ये अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन. तो सेम ट्यून. फर्स्ट 3 टाइप्स कैसे देखे हमने आज. प्लेन वाज सुलग सुलग जाए मन. फिर लताबाई का सेकंड वर्जन सेकंड लाइन सुलग सुलग जाए मन. मेल में किशोरदा ने कैसे लिया सुलग सुलग जाए मन. ओके सो सेम लाइन सेम ट्यून 3 different ways. So ऐसे every song if you take all of these nuances and you sing it like the way it should be sung, definitely देखो legends के जैसा कोई नहीं गा सकता. And nobody can match even 10% of what they have sung. Those are Bibles in themselves. But we can at least definitely by training or by trying to understand how they are. थोड़ा उसका you can firstly understand the beauty of it कि कैसे कितना सुंदर से क्या खूबसूरती से कितना nuances से कितना बारकाइयों से गाया है. And then try to do as much as जितना आपको जमे उतना you can try to take it in your singing. By taking it definitely your singing is going to be better than what you're singing today. उतना तो होना ही होना है. And so yes, I feel this is what because again as I said music has no age bar and because the benefits of music I think are so much that professional गाना नहीं गाना अलग बात है. आपको जिसको professionally गाना है you have to then there is no escape. You have to do a lot of riyaz. You have to learn with under a proper guidance and it you have to take proper training. I mean it needs a lot of dedication. But जिसको अपने शौक के लिए भी गाना है because advantages of music are like you all know. breathing के लिए it is good for breathing capacity, increasing breathing capacity to help you to get good breathing control. ताल जब हम ताल के साथ गाना गाते हैं in classical there is something which there is a lot of coordination which is needed in your vocal hands and brain. So there's a lot of coordination which needs and this all needs a lot of focus. आपको एक you need a lot of focus in that and you definitely any performing arts is going to give you confidence. So when you're going to sing it will help you in your overall personality. जब आप when I was in school, I was a very shy girl. मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती. But I think थोड़ा सा जो confidence आया है is only because of music. Because when you sing in front of people, आप जब stage पे उतरते हैं और लोगों के सामने गाते हैं ना 300 लोगों के सामने 300 छोड़ो even 15 लोगों के सामने भी जब आप गाएंगे ना automatically you will get that आपको कैसे you'll that stage presence how to have a eye contact with everyone, how to speak. So I feel indirectly ना मतलब एक दिन में नहीं लेकिन slowly आपका confidence level बढ़ेगा which will help you in your overall personality. Especially बच्चों को तो confidence and focus and everything is going to help you a long way in your overall personality also. So that is there. Your expressions are going to be better off by because music and expressions go very hand in hand. And most important I have lot of students who are CEOs and doctors and they say कि बाबा हमारे लिए ना music is like a stress buster. So we come to your class and we feel it's like हमारा दिन अच्छा गया. We are ending our evening well. So or we are ending our Sunday well or however the music is a very important in helping you to release stress because वो एक खुशी मिलती है ना वो अलग ही मिलती है music से. So I'm not singing just singing. Any music जिसको गिटार बजाने को अच्छा लगता है कि कोई है जिसको कैसियो कीबोर्ड बजाने को अच्छा लगता है. Any music I feel is holistic and it is very therapeutic. It's like a therapy. So I feel music education and you should that the way it's very nice thing what they have started with now that GP Swarmala they do these small workshops and they are doing it's a very nice thing because everybody is able to remain in touch with music because we all are students of music and by doing this the more we practice it's going to help us more to become better and better. So this is about it and yeah you should learn music. I feel whatever your age for your own happiness be it wherever you are now. Luckily, due to online also, so matlab, I'm seeing students so many all across the globe. Right now, we have 250 plus students who are doing online training with me all across from different parts of koi Bangalore se, koi Noida se hai, koi US se, koi Singapore se, Dubai se hai, and different parts of Mumbai too, who are not in Andheri Parla and Goregaon, who are far off. And online is here to stay because COVID has taught us that अभी ऑनलाइन रहने वाला है, and it's very comfortable. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है आप मेरे ही सामने बैठे हो. So unfortunately in this, because there are so many participants, I could not ask everyone to unmute and sing because so many 50 people we can't do it. But in our regular class तो हम जब 6-7-8 जन होते तो I ask everyone to unmute and sing. So I understand if your singing is right or wrong. So I feel if you want to learn from me, you can get in touch with me. You can get number from Vidya or anybody, or I'll just tell my number in case, not just learning, anytime anyone has any query, you can get in touch with me relating to music, because I want to spread the love for music, and those who are into music or who love music, I like to my level best to support them or to help them in whatever little way I can. So take my number. This is 982. I'll come to the queries. 982 06 38 114. 982 06 38 114. Dipali. So I would love to help you wherever required. Yeah. And now coming to the queries, if you have any doubts, if you can ask me. 1 second. What is the first? Rekha, can you read the questions? Or whoever is the host. Mujhe na the questions dikh nahi raha, it just popped up. There was some question.
Yeah. One question that was there was, are there any particular way to modulate one's voice?
Modulate.
That's the
जैसे
first
मैंने आपको
question.
बोला. See, ये जो मैंने techniques बोले ना आपको, सुलग ना 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 ना. So ये सब modulation के ही parts. ये जब आप लेंगे ना, whenever you take these things, जैसे हरकतें वगैरह लेंगे, आपको वो गाना, you are going to get what is this. मोहब्बत में I said कि you have तुमसे मोहब्बत, make this voice soft. See, I'm not going to tell you a very technical ways. I'm not technical words. I don't use, even in my class, I don't use very technical words because I want the output. Output is something which is very essential. So अगर output आना है तो आपको local language में समझना बहुत जरूरी है. आपको यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे समझना बहुत जरूरी है, और वो जब समझेगा ना यहाँ और यहाँ, तब output आएगा. तो तुमसे मोहब्बत, make your voice soft. Soft मतलब it's a voice modulation. तुमसे अगर आप गाएंगे तुमसे मोहब्बत, no, doesn't make an impact. तुमसे मोहब्बत, वो मखमल की तरह, मोहब्बत is a very that word. So उसको मोहब्बत आपको soft ही लेना है. You can't take it harsh. So when you're taking a voice soft, it is giving you the output. It is making you help. It is something which you're doing voice modulation. Yeah. Is there a particular way of making?
I will just read it out. There are quite a bit of questions, Dipali. The second one is what is singing from the stomach and how this helps in singing.
हाँ, singing from the, यहाँ से ना, ये गले से, it's going to help you to, इधर से जो है ना आप गाते हैं, you're going to strain your vocal cords. So अंदर से, जैसे आपने ओम किया, you did ओम, you did सा, जब गाते हैं, सा, ये अंदर से आनी चाहिए आवाज, because when you start, but that will need practice. आपको ऐसा एक दिन में नहीं आएगा. यहाँ पे strain नहीं होना चाहिए, as you said, it has to come from within. And when it comes from within, you will be able to sing for a longer time and you will still not strain your voice. If you sing from here, it's going to make you थक जाएगा गला, बैठ जाएगा. So कभी भी इधर से नहीं गाना है, अंदर से गाना है. अब वो कैसे गाना है, वो गा के वो ऐसा एक दिन, you have to, आप जब सीखेंगे for years, you'll automatically वो आएगा बाद में फिर अंदर से. It will. So you are right. You have to sing from the inside, from stomach. The next question
is there any particular way of marking the nuances?
Yeah. So जैसे you have to make your own, you have to create your own dictionary, as I always tell my students. So जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ रिम झिम गिरे सा, रिम झिम गिरे, ये step रिम झिम गिरे. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं ऐसे करती हूँ. But that is completely, it is not some Bible. I'm not calling it, there's no dictionary to do it. You can do it your ways. So when your teacher tells you you have to sing it like that, you make your own dictionary. And सुलग, अब यहाँ पे सुलग extend करना है, तो मैं तो उधर कुछ तो ऐसे underline वगैरह करती हूँ. Vidya, how do you do it? Vidya, how do you do it? Unmute and tell me.
Can you teach like Sulag, sulag. So for the su, then I put a long line, and if it has a harkat, then a little bit of, sulag, sulag, and then like how you
So
talk about the harkat, so it is like curving,
it's
curved
like a
line,
curving.
and
Yeah. So this is not some dictionary. ऐसा कोई हाँ. So so everybody can you can make your own, you can create by your create, God has given us all a lot of creativity, so you can use your own creativity. Only thing is you should know बाबा वो marking करने के बाद जैसे मैं आपको बोली होगी हाँ यहाँ करो, तो आपने कुछ marking किया, मैं आपको बोलती हूँ यहाँ पे twist दो, यहाँ पे हरकत दो, यहाँ पे ये लो, यहाँ पे वो लो. After that when you go home and then you see your book, तब ये नहीं होना चाहिए अरे मैंने क्या mark किया है. तो you should, that's why I don't tell any markings कि this is the marking for this. I leave it upon you. I will tell you, I will guide you कि यहाँ पे ट्विस्ट हो, यहाँ पे हरकत हो, यहाँ पे तो, बट हरकत का मार्किंग क्या है या ट्विस्ट का मार्किंग क्या है वो आप आपके हिसाब से करो, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू रिमेंबर, सो दैट यू कैन डू इट एज पर योर क्रिएटिविटी. Okay, any next question?
Next question is, do you also conduct classes for light music and Bollywood singing?
Yes, I do. You can call me. I will give you all the information. You have my number 982. If not, write it 982-06-38114. I have 250 plus students who are doing online right now with me for the same. I have multiple batches for children of different ages, ladies and gents, all different batches. On Sunday, Saturday, every day we have class and multiple batches. So you can get in touch with me.
Okay. Next question is how to increase one's, like a person's mandra saptak range.
हाँ, उसमें उसको खरज का रियाज करते हैं. You have to do a lot of खरज का रियाज, मतलब सा मंद्र सप्तक रेंज. So सा मी, so we're going नीचे जा रहे हैं धा. So ऐसे मैंने अभी क्विकली बताया. You have to do सा 10-15 मिनट लगाओ, फिर नीचे का 10 minutes continue. No, this is not breathing exercise. You can breathe and continue. 10-15 minutes. 10 minutes. ऐसा ना करते करते one day का गेम नहीं है. Every day if you do this रियाज ना, you have to give in time. लेकिन यही तो रियाज है. तो ऐसे इस हिसाब से आप मंद्र सप्तक का रेंज इंप्रूव कर सकते हो, इंक्रीज कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
All the harkats and nuances is easier if the track is slow. How do we do it comfortably when the track is a bit fast and one has to go along with the rhythm?
So you have to firstly kabhi bhi karaoke ke sath practice. First step should not be that. Karaoke should be the last step. First step, I have seen a lot of people first they do on karaoke. First you fit the song properly. अच्छे से गाना बिठाओ. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला line by line and word by word गाना बिठाओ. अच्छे से जब आपका गाना बैठ जाएगा, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, तो थोड़ा सा उसका स्पीड इंप्रूव करो, देन थोड़ा सा इंप्रूव करो, बिकॉज वंस एंड देन सिंग इन द स्लो स्पीड. इट्स ओके, वी डोंट वांट टू हरी अप. स्लो स्पीड में 15-20 टाइम्स गाओ, जितना भी गा सको उतना गाओ. एक बार आपको उस स्पीड में कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, थोड़ा सा स्पीड इंक्रीज करो, उसमें 15-20 टाइम्स गाओ, कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा और थोड़ा इंक्रीज करो. ऐसे करते करते यू विल रीच द faster scale. And if it is a very fast song and if you're still not able to justify it, so jab aapke paas original musicians rehte hain na, so I also do concerts. I have my concerts of only my students, because there's so many students I can't unfortunately bahar walon ko nahi chance de sakte, so we properly book an auditorium. So but in my concerts I don't take it on karaoke. I take it on with live musicians with a proper orchestra. Is the reason being, see, we have a lot of students who are children. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, कोई गाना जैसे ये गाना है ना, रिम झिम गिरे सावन, ये जो फीमेल वाला वर्जन है बहुत फास्ट है. रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस, तो ये भीगे आज, ये हरकत ये फास्ट में आने के लिए बहुत प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. तो अगर नहीं आता है ना, तो थोड़ा सा आप अगर स्पीड कम करके, बट दैट इज पॉसिबल विद लाइव म्यूजिशियंस, तो थोड़ा सा उनको एक मुट्ठी कम करो, उतना स्पीड में भी आप गाओगे ना, लेकिन जस्टिफाई करके गाओ. फास्ट गा के हरकत मिस कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं गा रहे, खाली आउटलाइन गा रहे हैं, तो मतलब नहीं है. थोड़ा स्पीड कम करो चलेगा, बट जस्टिफाइड विद प्रॉपर हरकत. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
What is the right age for Arunita, the 6-year-old child who sang in the beginning? What is the right age for her to learn classical music?
Already start learning. Yes, Rekha, you answered it. Start learning immediately, ASAP, because I have students who are even 4.5 and 5 and they are picking up these things. So she's 6 and she's already singing beautifully. You must enroll her, not just with me, anybody, whoever you feel is a good guru, you can take her to them.
Okay, Dipali ji, your session was wonderful and educative. This is from
I'm
Hemant
so happy.
Pathak.
Thank you, Hemanji. I'm so glad that you liked and enjoyed the session.
Gauri Karnad says another one, when she sings in between two words, she breathes heavily. That is for Arunita, I think she's saying, Gauri. How can this be modulated?
She has to, firstly, she has to do breathing. जो breathing exercise मैंने बोला है, she has to practice that. By that, her breathing will increase. And as I told you, when I was explaining you the song, see, I was telling you right places. यहाँ breathe करो, यहाँ breathe करो, यहाँ breathe करो. You know, जब हम गाना गाते हैं ना, there is a place, वो place ढूंढनी पड़ती है, कहाँ breathing space है. वहाँ पे अगर आप correct breathe करेंगे, आपको realize, see, when we are speaking, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, we are not realizing that we are breathing, but we are breathing ना continuously. हमको क्यों नहीं realize हो रहा है? क्योंकि breathing and speaking is something which we are doing बचपन से. एक साल हुआ नहीं कि हम बात करना शुरू करते हैं, तो हमको आज अब तक इतना प्रैक्टिस है बात करने का कि हमको ब्रीदिंग कहाँ लेना है वो समझ नहीं. वैसा ही अगर प्रैक्टिस आप गाने में करेंगे बचपन से, और ऐसा ही आपको समझेगा, ऑटोमेटिकली वो आ जाएगा कहाँ ब्रीथ करना है. फिर आपको स्पेसिस एंड वो नहीं लगेगा. बट नॉट, शी इज जस्ट 6 year old, so you have to give her some time. Okay, next question.
How do you take care of your boys to prevent saliva?
What to prevent? क्या मैं समझी नहीं. To prevent
phlegm, saliva, जो saliva है ना.
Phlegm.
See, I eat everything. मैं खाली ठंडा पानी नहीं पीती हूँ, मैं खट्टा खाती हूँ. मैं I'm not the right person to answer this. I eat everything, pastry, cake, everything. But because a lot of people, they don't eat खट्टा, they don't eat. मैं नहीं करती हूँ ऐसा. I'm a big foodie, so I eat everything. I don't do. मैं नहीं करती हूँ. खाली कभी गला बैठा है, and you know you have to perform tomorrow. अगर ऐसा कुछ है, then you need to seriously take it. You have to do warm water gargles, or you have to हल्दी का पानी का गार्गलिंग करो या ऐसा कुछ करो. अदरवाइज इट्स ओके. अदरवाइज यू कांट, कितना नहीं खाएंगे. आई मीन, इफ यू आर अ प्लेबैक सिंगर एंड यू हैव रेगुलर रिकॉर्डिंग्स एवरी डे, यू हैव टू प्रिजर्व, उसमें कोई ये नहीं. लेकिन अगर आप, इफ यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर योर हैप्पीनेस एंड जस्ट एज अ हॉबी, देन इतना कुछ ऐसा है नहीं. बाकी देखो, गाना और आवाज ऊपर वाले की देन है. उसको हम बेटर कर सकते हैं. जो हमको जो दिया है भगवान ने, उसको डेफिनेटली बाय डूइंग रियाज एंड प्रैक्टिस एंड लर्निंग वी कैन better it off for tomorrow. But I cannot start singing like Shreya Ghoshal tomorrow, na. She is a legend in herself. I mean, I can't have that. तो एक basic मेरा जो है, मैं उससे मेरे को better कर सकती हूँ by learning. But you can't change the texture.
Yes.
Yeah. Next question.
All the others are like, beautiful session. Thanks to you, Dipali ji.
Thank you so much.
Very informative session, interesting session.
You
so explained it so beautifully.
I'm so glad that you all enjoyed, and I really felt so good to come here and speak. Whatever little कुछ भूल चूक हुई हो तो माफ करिए. But whatever little I knew, I said. Yes, sir.
Can I? This is not only to Dipali, but this is also for all our Guru Prasad Swarmala members. See, we may be holding a lot of workshops individually, all right? But it should be in such a sequence that you have to correlate this particular, now today's presentation should be correlated to the earlier workshops. Today, what she explained, that has got a correlation with what was Sur and what was Tal. Today, she told the nitty-gritties, the nuances and all that. My suggestion to all Guru Prasad members is that whenever, I mean, time and again, it's not that, that Sur ka ek ho gaya, Tal ka ek ho gaya, Deepali ka aaj ho gaya, kal aur 10 log aayenge. As Saurabh or Deepali has said, we can only, inform you, we can give you the knowledge, but it has to be, to make it more useful to yourselves, you have to do it. What I'm saying is, when Deepali sang, whatever, Yaman mein jo paramparik bandish gayi hai, now Deepali sang in her range. So if you correlate with the earlier course, you will come to know how you have to fit your own range. Because everybody has got an individual range by themselves. So today, Deepali, what she sang in the female range, which is 5 surs, above the male, where as explained earlier in Sur. The same thing happens to Tal. In Sur and Tal, for example, like, I mean, even Deepali said, you know, the correlation between Sur and Tal, she explained today about what is Saptak. So if you want to, she said Saptak. Saptak is Saregama Padani. And those Komal swars in between, 5 of them, which makes 12. So unless and until you don't go back to that Sur, what she explained today, these are Saptak. Isko Mantra Saptak bolte hai, Tar Saptak bolte hai, ya to fir whatever. Then the practice of Kharaj. So my suggestion is that, and even this one, if see when she sang Yaman ka jo bandish hai, did you observe how she ended the bandish? Did you all observe? तिहाई पे उन्होंने तिहाई पे दीपाली ने खत्म कर दिया. So any bandish, it has to end, classical or whatever it is, it has to end with tihai. So unless and until you don't go back, you won't know what is tihai. अभी एलियानी जो है यमन का बंदिश जो है वो तिहाई पे खत्म किया दीपाली ने. Did anybody observe how she ended that particular? That is there. And then, you know, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर. She explained, you know, about the male and the female. Okay. What is that? रफी साहब ने कैसे गाया है और लता जी ने कैसे गाया. Again coming back, as I always say, she explained कि बाबा ऐसे करना, ऐसे करना, ऐसे करना. Listen to that song first. जब तक आप सुन के you won't know कि nuances कैसे लेना है. Now,
thank you.
As far as the tal is concerned, when you are listening to the song, close your eyes and clap. आप मत गाओ पहले सुनो. So, you know, correlate with the earlier one. This is Deepali is taken absolute sequence today. Absolute right sequence. रिमझिम गिरे सावन के बारे में बताया. किरवानी पे जो है, काफी पे जो रिमझिम गिरे सावन है. और सुलग सुलग जो आप जब तक नहीं सुनेंगे बाबा किशोर ने कैसे गाया और लता ने कैसे गाया है, no matter Deepali or me will try to teach you in any way, you won't be able to grasp it. And especially रफी साहब का जो softness, वो सुन के ही softness आप कर सकते हैं ना.
Yeah. Narari, thank you so much. Great. It was like, you know, very, very nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah. This is one
Thank you
sequence.
so much.
Deepali has done it excellent today. Excellent. And as far as the tal is
thank you, Nararji.
कितना स्पीड में जाना चाहिए, कितने इसमें जाना चाहिए, to get to know the idea of the tal, the best example is to use a metronome. You know, इतने स्पीड पे record scale पे उसका BPM क्या है? वो BPM पर टॉक 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 एहसान तेरा हो टक 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 टक. So that gives you, the metronome gives you a bass tal, you know, the rhythm. उसके ऊपर आप बाद में slowly, as she said, उसके बाद में slowly आपका speed बढ़ाओ. Slowly बढ़ाते बढ़ाते you on the record scale beat. So metronome is the best support for you. Or otherwise, if you have a live musician. That's all.
So, Narari, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Vidya, can you give we'll thank Deepali, considering the time. I think we'll have to leave her.
Yeah. Thank you, Subhash Dada. Thank you, Deepali. We were transported into a completely different world altogether. So
thank you. My pleasure.
Yes, I begin this vote of thanks by, I should say this. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So we offer our pranams to our music guru. We offer our pranams to our music guru, Deepali Kamath Agarwal. Some of us, as she mentioned, from GSM, we are very privileged and blessed to be her students. And today, on behalf of GP Swarmala, I would like to thank Deepali for accepting our invitation and taking time out from her busy schedule for today's workshop. Thank you so much, Deepali.
Thank you, Vidya. Thank you for inviting me here and making me meet so many lovely, talented singers in GP Swarmala, and not just GP, all the ones who attended. From there, you know, I told you all to keep your video on तो मैं जब गा रही थी, I was looking around by singing the. I was looking at the facial expressions. Even in the class, I tell everybody to keep the video on for this reason. Face expresses lot of things, and when I could see आपका response, even if you were on mute, I could understand that you are trying to get what I'm trying to say, and I could feel that happiness on your face. So thank you for that. Thank you for making me happy by that happiness on your face. Really means a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And
So we
today's
close the
session
session here.
was very today's session was very engrossing and an enriching experience for all of us. Your Alankars, basics of Rag Yaman, the nuances of Bollywood singing, and all the tips and guidance that you've provided by you for improving skills will be of a great help to all of us who are present today. And we were completely mesmerized by your Yaman medley. Thanks again for that. And there is a beautiful word, deep, in your name, Deepali, and your music academy, Swardeep. So खरंच दीपाली, आज तुम्ही स्वरांचे दीप आम्हा सर्वांच्या मनात नव्याने प्रज्वलित केले. And
thank you so much.
And me,
got goosebumps on my hands because Swardeep is my baby, my music academy, which I started 7 years back with just 2 students, and those 2 students are the ones who spread my word through word to word and mouth to mouth without any advertisement, without any banners and pamphlets. Kuch bagair kiye, I have reached 1,000 students, and I feel those students of mine are my family, whom I call my Swardeep family. So by saying this, it really got goosebumps in my hands when you said this. Everybody are my family.
And it's truly from the bottom of our heart. And so may this light continue to illuminate many minds, many lives, and your guidance will go a long way in helping all of us to improve and excel in music. So a big round of applause. I think we can unmute for the applause so she can hear how much we
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Deepali.
Thank you. You all are elders to me, and please bless me. That is something which goes a long way. So please bless me.
Great session, and you encourage all elderly persons like us.
Thank you
so much.
So on behalf of GPSM, we would like to wish you all the best for your future endeavors, colleagues. And on behalf of GPSM, I would like to thank all the members and guests for their enthusiastic participation. And all hope that your queries and doubts were clarified. And now we have, as we mentioned earlier, attendees from many cities and different corners of the globe. So thank you, Deepali, so much for this wonderful session.
Thank you.
Yeah. And
I'm so glad I took so much of your time on a special Sunday evening and still you all attended. So thank you for coming.
It was a pleasure.
Sunday हमको सबको बहुत precious होता है.
We had a lovely Sunday evening.
Absolutely.
A big thank you again from all of us. And just one thing before we end today's program, I would like to make an announcement. So on July 4th, that's next month on Sunday, we have again invited as part of our series, which is going on right now. We have a renowned singer and professional vocalist, Aparna Nagarkati Ullal, who will be with us. And so we would like all of you to mark your calendars. The details will follow soon. So we end this program, and that was really fantastic. Deepali, I'm so glad, that, we are so happy that our guru has come for this session today. Thank you so
Vidya.
much.
It means a lot. You called me here and it was your word. I had to come. So thank you so much.
CC really felt, that we need to have you on one of our talks. And thank you so much for accepting the invitation like this. And you didn't even think, you said, yes, I'll be there. It was so sweet of you.
No,
Thank
it's
you.
I have one thing to say. I have one thing to say. Okay, because of Vidya, a lot of us are with you, Deepali, and she has very high regard for you.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
you know, it's she always talks about you in all our meetings, how you teach.
That's her kindness. It is her kindness. But yes, Vidya has been my student, and she's the one who connected. As I said, you know, my students are my family. They are the ones who have connected. वो 2 से 1000 ऐसे ही बने हैं. वो एक student ने और 5 को लाया, वो 5 ने और 10 को लाया. ऐसे ही बने हैं. So Vidya has got 5 of you all from your, maybe by today's session, if I have touched you all, maybe एक आध दो और join करे. So I think that connection has happened because of Vidya, and thank you, Vidya, for that. It means a lot.
No, it means really a lot.
Okay, we'll close the session now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank
so much.
you.
Bye bye. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Thank you, Subhash.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Subhash.
Bye.
Thank you, Vidya. Bye, Rekha.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks a lot, CC also.
Bye.
Everyone.
Bye. Bye.
Participating,
Thank
and thank
you.
you so much. See you all soon.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
you.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Hope to see you again.
Yes, we will do it. Yes.
I'm there. Always I'm there.
Okay.
Okay, I'll
Chalo. Okay,
leave.
bye-bye.
Thank you
Yeah.
so
Yes.
much. Bye.
Thanks a lot,
Bye.
Dipali. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
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 Well done.
I put just all lunch.